What is up, everybody? Welcome back to Eclectic Beard Reactions. This go around, we'll be taking a look at Group B, Pure Sound. Now, we've already taken a look at one Group B video in the past. It's been a while. This was just, it seems like the most dangerous sport, probably for the spectators as well as the drivers, as far as rally racing goes. So I can see the reason why they don't do it like this no more. But yeah, before we go any further, like, subscribe, notification bell. Let's go ahead and get into it. All out in the middle of the road with cameras, talking about trying to get the perfect shot. Bro, the drifting ability of these folks right here, like, I like watching people that are highly skilled at being able to take a drift around tracks and stuff like that. Now, granted, these things have 900, 1,000 more horsepower a lot of times, and they're set up specifically for the configuration of the car is set up specifically to allow it to drift. Not only that, the skill that it takes, but a lot of this, the Group B rally stuff being on dirt like it was, the ability to take and actually have a controlled spin on dirt or gravel is just, that's called masterful. That's like the epitome of masterful driving. Bro. A lot of folks taking, with the types of engines they've got, it sounds like a bumblebee in a can. These are some beefy bumblebees. That's all I'm going to say. Some beefy bumblebees. Oh, that is still one wrong turn and half them spectators are roadkill. God, that is close as hell. God, I think it's on a hairpin. Can't exactly go too fast around that. Just whip that thing right around like, yep, whoop, here I go. That's a heck of a cloud of dust. What? Boy, he going flying through there. Whoa. That's talent. It's snow. Roads are icy. And they're coming through there like a bat out of hell. amount of shifting that's going on, going through these curves, just the constant up and down shifting as you're taking and going through to take and make sure you stay in that right gear and RPM limit to take and have the maximum go through rate. Like, oh, that's, and I don't know how many laps this stuff was, but holy hell, that's a heck of a workout. But hey, it's crazy. And I thought TT fans were crazy for as close as they got. They ain't got nothing on these cats. These cats were, whew, insane is not the word. I got so close, mother, the dust sprayed on me. Woohoo! Dude, as a narrow part of the track right there, just being able to take it, like, and I know these cats had to have the onboard navigators and stuff like that, but it's just the amount of the reflex skill. Not only that, but the stamina to take and go through these gears the way they do. Like, you've got the way you have to have everything perfectly lined up to get this to be competitive. But that's a different level. That's a different level of dedication right there. That's a different level of. There's a lot of folks that, oh yeah, race car, some of these drivers that race and stuff like that. The A game they've got to take and have, like a lot of other athletes just could not take and replicate. Like, it's amazing to me the different kind of athletes there are, and how one, just being an athlete doesn't take and immediately mean success in something else. And this is right here is a clear example, because the mental sharpness, you got to take and have the reflexes, you got to have that stamina to take and go to, because that's a lot of movement. That's a lot of moving your feet up and down between the clutch and the brake and the gas, and just having everything just so in sync. It's insane. The folks clearing like the Red Sea for Moses. Like, they just, oh crap, car, whoop, let me get out of the way. He's getting close enough for me now. Bro, he went squalling through that. Just woo, woo. It just, oh my god. It is always fun to see stuff like that. The skill level that people have or had for the Group B part. Just watching the regular rally type racing. That takes an enormous amount of skill. Because some of these locations, like, you got sheer drop-offs on one side of the track. And these cats go up like it's nothing. They take and hit this stuff like it's nothing. Just that sheer amount of... I'm impressed, man. I'm completely impressed. I think the spectators for the Group B are absolutely... They were insane on another level. Like, that's mental. Absolutely mental. My goodness. Definitely we'll be checking out more stuff related to... I even want to take and check out just some rally stuff because I think that it's just so cool. It's kind of like I love watching stuff on the TT. I plan on going to the TT this coming year or this next year, and because it fascinates me, the speed, the amount of skill, just that overriding passion and dedication for that race right there within itself. Not even the MotoGP sport itself, but the TT race itself. And then you got stuff like these rally racers who you've got to have, number one, you've got to be like an intense adrenaline junkie, but number two, you've got to have an overwhelming passion and drive to take and excel, not only succeed, but excel at that, because it takes so much just next level reflex, it just ability. Because I think a lot of this stuff you just can't teach. You either have it or you don't. So this was interesting. This is always it's always entertaining watching stuff like this. Y'all be good to each other. Love yourselves. Peace.